In recent decades, life in the city has become demanding, structured, and stressful. But the younger generations are challenging this lifestyle. They want to set their own path, be their own bosses, and to achieve this, they need to take care of themselves too. That's why Kasten Design presents Vandra, the multifunctional backpack. In Swedish, Vandra means to walk, to migrate, to wander. Vandra means change and is the first urban backpack completely designed to watch your back while you overcome your daily challenges. Vandra features adjustable straps. You can wear it as a backpack with 2 straps, or you can wear it as a messenger sling bag. Easy to convert and smart casual to wear. It also features a wired quality padlock to keep your belongings safe, guaranteeing you can enjoy your leisure time in public spaces with ease of mind. And when you're done, you can put all the dirty clothes inside a separate compartment, making sure it won't affect your other belongings. Vandra keeps your important documents tidy and dry, even with wet towels, and has hidden pockets for your most valuable stuff. Vandra features world-famous YKK zippers, so you don't need to worry about keeping your valuables safe. Vandra comes with a safe open and close system that protects your gadgets and prevents them from falling out while opening the bag. Vandra has been designed meticulously to keep your daily gadgets organized. Vandra has been designed to prevent any possible hazard. That's why it features a shockproof air cushion, which protects your laptop and gadgets from accidents. It also has an easy access external USB plug connected to your power bank, so you make sure you don't run out of battery when you need it the most. By the way, if you forget it, which happens even to the best of us, Vandra the backpack sends an alert directly to your smartphone with a last place notification. Over the last 15 months, we have been working long hours designing, testing, and refining each part of the Vandra backpack, and we are now ready for the next step, asking for your help to fund the production of Vandra, the smart backpack. With your help, we can get Vandra delivered to all of us that want a smart, organized, well-designed backpack. All of us that need a trusted partner through our daily challenges. Please check out our pledge packages. Choose your package, make a pledge today, and help us bring Vandra the backpack to the market.
Backpacks. We've been carrying them around forever. They've been a part of us from day one, holding our most prized possessions. Today, we're using backpacks to carry our $2,000 laptops to work. And why not? It's the easiest and most comfortable way to carry everything you need. But backpacks weren't built for the boardroom. We wanted a bag that had the polish of a briefcase, the comfort of a backpack, and no compromises. This is Watson. Smart usability, stunning design, weightless comfort. Watson is for uncompromising professionals. To create a backpack for top performers, we had to start from the ground up and change the fundamentals. Watson is push to start. No more fighting with zippers or rifling through various pockets. You'll go from 0 to working in seconds. Everything inside has a thoughtful place. Plus, Watson can stand on its own, giving you easy access throughout the day. For the first time ever, Watson has a hard shell structure that opens with a push of a button. You can instantly see and access everything you need. Your important items have a home in the Safe Essentials compartment. Watson has impeccable timing. Grab your keys, wallet, or phone without ever taking it off your back. There's a bottle holder for life's essential H2O. And when you're on an important call, Watson has your power built in with a connection to your favorite battery inside. Watson's on-the-go setup means you can access your wallet, water, and even extra power without ever taking it off. Watson's breathable back creates room for air, so you don't have to worry about sweat. Inspired by hiking packs, Watson's suspension system spreads weight across the entire back panel. Power mesh ventilation keeps air flowing freely. Sculpted shoulder straps adjust for a custom fit and are padded with NASA memory foam for the ultimate comfort. We've spent countless hours, created dozens of prototypes to achieve Watson's impeccable style. There was no spared expense to give you the most beautifully designed backpack that will turn heads for years to come. With high-quality Italian leather, ballistic nylon, military-grade hardware, and a shape-preserving hardshell, Watson is the first backpack that doesn't trade form for function.
Watson began as a problem to solve for my tech entrepreneur boyfriend, but I quickly realized that there was a gap in the everyday carrying space. Watson is the answer to that problem. Here's where we need your help, Kickstarter. We've put everything into making Watson the best backpack ever made. By pledging for a Watson, you'll join us in bringing this revolutionary everyday carry to life. Watson is made for the uncompromising professionals, the ones who want usability, design, and comfort. We hope you'll join us.
Hello everybody, we are the founders of Holy Fancy and we are here today to explain to you why our backpack is so amazing.
Can you imagine a backpack made of 15 recycled plastic bottles and 900 grams of cotton scraps? And the touch is amazing.
Yeah, so to produce this beautiful fabric, we are actually removing plastic bottles from the environment. Isn't it magic?
So if you feel like in a more classy mood, you can wear it like this, or you can roll it, close it like this, it will look more sportive. Wait for it, there's a surprise inside. It's composed of multifunctional pouches that will organize your day.
So we have designed several kinds of pouches that you can put everything inside in separated compartments.
So there's a special pocket that is protected for your computer. There's a small pocket here to put your metro card, some coins, lateral pockets for your cell phone, for example. And did I mention that the straps are really comfy?
Yes, so as you could see, this backpack is everything that you need. Now please keep watching the video to see all the features, buy yours, and help us bring this eco-friendly project to life.
Pour créer, il faut souffrir. Pour souffrir, il faut vivre. Pour vivre, il faut crowdfunder. Je suis vivant. Je suis création. Je suis souffrance. Je suis...
Hey Kickstarter. Oh hey. I don't know what those last guys were talking about because life since our last Kickstarter project has been pretty sweet.
First we went to not one but 2 Genuine concerts.
Then, thousands of you from around the world started sending us photos of the bag you helped create.
And most exciting, you told us that you wanted
More!
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 More! More!
More!
More!
More!
More! More!
It's a bag.
The Daily is the newest addition to our family. The same Manal mix of rugged outdoor technology and clean design, but compact, meaning you stay professional and efficient, all day, every day.
The Daily comes with our custom seam-sealed rain cover, fully tuck-away straps, and a bunch of organisation for your essentials.
Again, we prioritised easy access, and the bag's compact size enabled a full lie-flat laptop compartment, meaning an even smoother path through security.
And last but not least, the Daily fits inside the carry-on laptop compartment.
Did someone say carry on? I said carry on. Yeah, I know you said carry on.
Now, we love our firstborn dearly, but after thousands of hours of real-world testing and feedback, we knew it was time for some genetic engineering.
The internal pockets are now 3D, meaning like 1,000,000 times more space for your stuff.
The new side hook system makes it even easier to get inside the bag, adds a secure mode option, and increases compression.
The shoulder stabilizer clips are now magnets.
Ooh.
We gave the backpack straps thicker padding for extra comfort,
Re-engineered the carry handles for a smoother feel,
and elasticated the drink cord for quicker access and a better hold.
Something amazing laptop system.
Your electronics are safer than ever, thanks to our new patent-pending suspended design, included in both bags, which adjusts to hold your laptop and device away from danger.
Even cooler than that, you can now pull them out in both directions.
We started Manal because we wanted a better bag. With your support, we're ready to take the next step. We believe in creating the best tools for people doing interesting things. People who explore, who build, who can't wait to wake up and make their next move. And if that sounds like you, we would be stoked to see you on the road. Also be stoked if you press that green button over there. Might be on mobile though, maybe. If they're on mobile, the green button's probably down there, so find green. Wherever the green button is, you want to press that.